Hi everybody, Teacher Everson, once again with you. Professor Everson mais uma vez com vocês. E aí, lembra da aula de ontem? Nós vimos o que era mesmo? Conjugação verbal, verb to be. Today we're going to do a little review of all the tenses in one class only. Well, actually maybe two classes. Let's check it out. So access here teachereverson.blogspot.com teachereverson.blogspot.com. Meu blog, lá tem umas dicas para vocês todos. Tudo de graça. Vamos lá. Clica aqui. No cantinho do lado esquerdo aqui, temos verbais, resumo. So, the first one is the verb to be. The verb to be is here. It's very easy. So, if you remember, ser estar, verb to be. Então, I am a teacher. So, I am. What we use? I am. For profession or place. I am, eu sou. Então, é o que está em azul aqui. Nós estamos fazendo sobre profissões. I am a teacher. Or simple present. I live in Tietê. So that's the city where I'm from. Okay, where I live. I live in Tietê. So simple present. What's the use? We use it for routines or things we do every day. I live in Tietê, so it's part of my routine. Present continuous. Present, cadê? Okay. Present continuous. Sentence, I'm working now. So it's the action in progress. It's what I'm doing now. I am working now. I am helping you guys. Okay? So I'm gonna break here and I'll send you more videos today. Okay? Bye bye.